All right, we're at 6555 North 20th Street, new construction. All right, let's see what we got. Come in the front door. Nice straight through floor plan. Dining area. Recessed lighting. Living room. Large front windows. LVP floor, luxury vinyl plank floor. Kitchen with the peninsula. The white and gray kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Nice. Right behind the kitchen. This is the exterior for the backyard. This half bath right behind the kitchen. Let's run down the basement right. While opening down the steps. Recessed lighting down here in the basement as well. Nice open floor plan down here. Utility room. New HVAC system in here, new hot water tank. Sub pump. $200 amp electrical panel. Still a lot of space left. Let's head on upstairs. So we see it as a finished basement. It's beautiful right here. It's the back bedroom right here. Got an option to build the balcony. It's a closet. It's the main bathroom, hallway bath. Subway tile, tub, backsplash. Tile floor. Right here, have another HVAC unit, so it's dual zoning. In your laundry room right here, stackable washer and dryer. Closet in the hallway. This is your front bedroom on the second floor. Again, you have the option to put a balcony out there. Recessed lighting. Closet. New construction at its finest. Let's go up another level. The main suite. All right, here we go. It's the main bedroom. Recessed lighting. Option for a balcony. It's a nice size room, king size bed in there. his and her closets, walk-in closets even. A lot of space. This is the master bathroom. It's the master suite all on one level. Dual vanity. Soaking tub. Large shower area. And the toilet is closed off, so you can be in the bathroom with your spouse and not be bothered. You just shut the door. All right. But wait, there's more. New top deck. Well, that's it. My name is Tony Smith with eXp Realty. If this is your first time to my channel, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. Talk to you soon.